Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. Today we're going to be talking about the recent earthquakes that went on this weekend and how that may impact some future volcanoes. As always, if you need additional information, there's links in the descriptive box below, including one out to Amazon.com that has all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende book series for sale. Not far afield from San Miguel de Allende, in the last week there have been 3 earthquakes of a magnitude of 4.0 or above, and 6 earthquakes between 3.0 and 4.0. A rise in tremors indicates the birth of a new volcano and vast confusion in the scientific community. On Saturday morning, a quake originated in the nearby town of San Felipe, with aftershocks felt here around 9 a.m. and continuing through Labor Day weekend. Well, the aftershocks were not felt by me, or my dog pictured here, who is supposed to anticipate such things, but by others more sensitive to platonic movements. Even at the epicenter, the quake itself did no significant damage beyond broken windows and fallen objects, but still, what's up? Scientists are considering the possibility that increased seismic activity could be the precursor or the birth of a new volcano. Earthquakes are associated with the movement of magma that doesn't always reach the Earth's surface. Other telltale signs of a birth of a new volcano include sulfur odors, animals migrating to new and unusual locations, and dried up vegetation in your garden as the soil temperatures rise. As an aside, on September 19th is the anniversary of the devastating 1985 Mexico City earthquake, killing over 5,000 people. Be aware at the time of the quake, public buildings must participate in an earthquake drill, evacuating all occupants so we all know how to leave in an orderly fashion in honor of the victims. It can be very confusing to be grocery shopping and suddenly hear alarms as everyone leaves the premise if you aren't expecting it. The oldest volcano in the Americas is what's taken in that picture in the upper right-hand corner looking out. It's just beyond the mall and is called Cerro Palo Orfano, or Orphan in English. Once the continent separated off from being the island known as Pangaea, it was the first volcano to erupt in the Americas. Long dormant, it's a steep hike up, but what is now very obviously still a once active volcano, now dormant. As always, feel free to click subscribe now, and you'll get automatic notification of new videos as they appear here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.